If you're about to stain your deck, don't pick one that's going to peel off in a single season. I've tested 5 of the most popular stains in real weather. That way you'll know which one actually holds up. To make this easier, we're going to rank each stain like a car. Speed will equal dry time, fuel economy will be coverage, crash test is peel resistance, and comfort is ease of use. We're going to start with number 5. That's Behr Premium Semi-Transparent Waterproofing Stain and Sealer. Some of the things we like about it is it's easy to find at the box store. It's also budget friendly. It has good speed, or in other words, it dries fast. And a lot of users said that it has good color saturation. The cons are its fuel economy, or we'll say its coverage. It claims to be high, but in practice, it often takes more stain than expected. The crash test, or we'll say the peel resistance, this really is one of the biggest issues of this product. Behr actually forms a surface film. This tends to peel and flake, especially in cold climates. It is the worst performer in our real-world tests. Some people even claiming that they had to recoat in as little as 9 months. The final verdict? It behaves like a budget car. It's easy on the pocketbook, but unreliable over time. Our next consideration is going to be Cabot Australian Timber Oil. The pros are its fuel economy. It soaks deep into the wood, offering solid one-coat performance, and a gallon goes a long way. It has great color depth, and it does a nice job of enhancing hardwoods. The oils are also very water repellent. This will help to prevent moisture-related issues, such as warping or mold. The cons is its speed. This is known to have a very slow dry time, especially in humid conditions. The handling, it isn't super user-friendly. It can be sticky if you over-apply it, and can be touchy in high humidity. The verdict? This is the luxury vehicle of deck stains. Rich finish, high-end performance, but it demands skill and patience behind the wheel. Next, we have Defy Extreme Semi-Transparent. The pros. In the crash test, it really does a nice job of holding up well in sun exposure without breaking down or peeling. The handling. It really is easier to apply than most water-based stains. The fuel economy. It has a wonderful spread rate, especially on soft woods. Its mold and mildew resistance does a wonderful job of adding long-term durability. Here are the cons. According to manufacturer recommendations, it needs 2 coats for best results. It is a slightly higher price point, and some users have reported a cloudy finish if applied too thick. The verdict? This is the hybrid car of deck stains. It's tech smart, efficient, and resilient over time, but you need to follow the instructions closely. The number 2 deck stain on our list is Armstrong-Clark Semi-Transparent. In our crash test, it boasts one of the best long-term adhesion and fade resistance of all the stains. Peeling is very rare. The handling, it's exceptionally easy to recoat, and prep can be minimal. The fuel economy, 1 gallon goes further than you would expect, especially on aged wood. And it stays flexible as it cures, which helps prevent cracking. The cons, its speed. It has a long dry time. Cleanup requires mineral spirits, and this product can be hard to find, as it may not be available in all regions. The verdict? This stain is like a heavy-duty pickup truck. Not fast, not flashy, but it just keeps going year after year with proper maintenance. Here's our number 1 stain according to our tests. TWP 1500 series. Here's the pros. In the crash test, it has fantastic peel resistance, even in harsh climates. It's very stable on horizontal surfaces. The fuel economy. This stain absorbs deep, meaning fewer touch-ups and a longer recoat cycle. The handling. It applies smoothly, and it forgives minor mistakes. It also has high UV resistance. This is going to add years of color retention. Here's the cons. The cleanup, it does require mineral spirits. It's not widely available in big box stores, and it is more expensive per gallon. The verdict? This is the all-terrain vehicle of deck stains. It's built tough to handle extreme conditions, and it won't leave you stranded mid-season. Here's a quick tip with regards to staining decks. You want to use a natural bristle brush for oil-based stains like TWP, Armstrong-Clark, or Cabot. The bristles flex and spread thick stains smoothly. For water-based products like the Behr or the Defy, you would want to go with a synthetic brush. It keeps its shape and will resist water damage. If you go in the description and you looked at the Pondered and Picked section, these are all top-notch recommended tools with regards to staining deck. I've tested them on real projects over the years. Check out the link below for gear I trust. So if you're wondering whether an oil-based or water-based deck stain is going to be a better fit, watch that full breakdown, which is linked below. And hey, whether you want a luxury ride, a reliable truck, or an all-terrain beast, pick the stain that best fits how you work and how long you want it to last. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.